about a temple? You want me in the front or in the back?
Hello, you outside here.
Temple, he wait half an hour and then we go. Oh, that's a nice breeze. Sounds like he needs $200 for a muffler. This guy's selling some stuff here to take to the temple, maybe. Yeah, it's hard to know what to do at a temple. I feel my face. I feel my face. Feel my face. This guy's got some fruit. Selling fruits. Pretty handy. You need some fruit. This guy said $200. Take me to the temple, wait for half an hour, and then take me back to the hotel. So I looked it up on Bolts. It's $100 one way. That's a bonus. Exactly. So this is it, right through here? Okay, I'll pay you later?
Yeah.
Okay, you wait?
You wait or you 30 minutes you walk outside here, so come back.
Alright. We as a temple. Oh no, it is the temple. It is it. You got me to the right place. And we're going in. And I'll buy a little temple doodad for my temple visits. Interesting. Okay. So here we are. Here's the gates. The 38 blessings, the heart that is not shaken by pleasant or unpleasant contacts, the heart that is neither nor joyful, the heart that is peace. These are the highest blessings. Absolutely. Awesome. Oh, so cool. Wow. Ayutthaya got its name from an epic Indian poem about the avatar of Vishnu. His name is Rama. The poem is called Ramayana. The Thai version is called Ramakien. Ayutthaya, the word itself means invincible. Peace is a quiet river, they'd say, but sometimes you've got to wade through a chaotic storm of bloody sword fighting to find it. Imagine a kingdom on the brink, its temples burning under the siege, its golden spires trembling under the shadow of Burmese invaders. Yet from the sacred grounds of Wat Phutthai Sawan, a spark of defiance ignites. At the heart of Ayutthaya's fight was a temple whose monks from Lan Na kingdom weren't just chanting sutras. These monks didn't just pray, they trained, and they trained hard. These were not your average holy men. These were also masters of an effective battlefield fighting system, teaching warriors to dance with death. These monastic warrior sages in saffron robes taught the deadly art of Krabi Krabong, a martial art system of flashing blades and bone-crushing strikes. A deadly blend of hand-to-hand combat techniques and weapons mastery. At Wat Phutthai Sawan, monks weren't just keepers of the sacred texts. They were architects of war. They were forging warriors in there, but not for fighting. This was a symphony of survival. Typically, their warrior monks would wield two weapons. In one hand, a sword called a dab, a single-edged blade that could slice through armor. In the other hand, a skull-cracking staff, or short stick. King Sawan trained in these very halls. He mastered the two-handed sword techniques. During the Battle of Nong Sarai in 1593, with a single strike, he cut down the crown prince in a duel, turning the tide of a tough battle that still burns bright in Thai legend. The monk's teachings gave Ayutthaya's fighters an edge sharper than steel, turning farmers and soldiers into a disciplined fighting force. Krabi Krabong became Ayutthaya's secret weapon, slicing through invaders to reclaim their freedom. There's no doubt that swinging dual swords in battle is straight-up cinematic beauty. But Krabi Krabong wasn't just about flash or looking cool. It was a battlefield game-changer. The system was a toolbox of destruction. Thrusting spears for piercing enemy lines, staffs for disarming foes, and those dual-wielded swords for devastating slashes that could cleave shields in two. Its versatility let Ayutthaya's warriors adapt to any battlefield, from open fields to jungle ambushes. Enter King Toksin, another temple-trained warrior who used these skills to rally a broken kingdom after Ayutthaya's fall in 1767. His guerrilla raid tactics, striking Burmese camps with ferocity, shattered enemy morale. Toksin's relentless assaults drove the Burmese from the land once and for all. As Toksin might have mused, two swords, one soul, carve the path or be carved. The Burmese came with armies, relentless and battle-hardened men. Ayutthaya answered with skill and strategy. Trained in the temple's shadows, Ayutthaya's fighters weren't just swinging weapons, they were embodying a philosophy. Krabi Krabong's disciplined chaos turned monks and soldiers into a force that could outmaneuver and outfight their invaders. Narasuwan's victories in the 16th century and Toksin's rebellion in the 18th proved the system's might, breaking Burmese dominance, pushing them back, and securing Ayutthaya's legacy. But freedom came at a cost. Blood-soaked earth, and mayhem ruled before peace could bloom. Heart-wrenching stuff, as most battles were. So why does this matter? Krabi Krabong was the soul of Ayutthaya's defiance. Through its kings, its monks, its people, from Nurasuwan's legendary duels to Thaksin's rebel uprising, it gave a struggling kingdom the tools to rise from the ashes. The monks at Wat Phutthai Sawan didn't just teach techniques, they forged a spirit that said, "We will not fall." And when the dust settled, when the Burmese invaders were gone, Ayutthaya stood tall. Its victory whispered a simple truth. Sometimes, in order to live in peace, you have to open a can or two of whoop-ass. After all, the word Ayutthaya does mean invincible. You fix? Make it go? Nice.
ก้อนตีสนิม
Oh.
ตีสนิมให้หลุดให้สนิมหลุด
Oh. It's broken.
หัวมันหาย หัวมันหาย
Woman. Wow. Big job.
ที่นี่เอาไว้ถอนตะปู
Kuntam.
ครับ
Kuntam.
ครับ
Kunchoptam.
33 ปี
Samsip.
3 ปี
Sampi.
33 ปีเนี่ย
Samsip Sampi. You need a new engine, it looks like.
ครับ
You need a new
ค
engine.
รับ30,000 บาทคือสมัยนั้นนะสมัยนี้เป็นแสน
Antayan. ขอบคุณครับ
โชคดีนะครับให้โชคดีนะครับ ครับ
God bless you, my friend.
ครับแล้ววันหลังมาใหม่นะครับ
Bye-bye. And now I'm gonna buy some chips. I just want a little thing of the temple, but I need it. I think I invested wisely, and now I'm going to invest in myself. Excuse me, can I get one more? Sorry. And how much is it? 60?
30. 10,
20. Want some of these?
5. 5.
Just buy one for myself. And I got my driver waiting over there. He's a good guy.
Okay.
He's a good man.
Good night tip. Bye.
Thank you. One for you.
ครับ กินเหล้า วิสกี้
Can you open this for me?
เปิดได้ทีนี้ช่วยเปิดครับพี่
Oh, thank you. That's good. Thank you.
Yeah.
She wants a drink too.
หัวเรา
Ah, it's nice. He's got speakers, stereo. Oh, you got music. Oh yeah.
มิวสิก
Oh yeah. Look at that subwoofer. Is it loud? Really loud?
yeah
Nice. Nice.
you get house no
Yeah.
no get house
No, I'm finished for today.
oh